place?
Mm-mm.
Well, it's not 36th Street Restaurant.
She was gonna look in the paper and see.
For our household insurance, this doesn't come off when we pay for a new stove.
Insurance doesn't pay for stupidity, Jeff.
That's- And every accident is a thing of stupidity.
Mm-hmm. But not catching your stove on fire because you set plastic on it.
Well, I'm so used, I mean, that's the one that I use all the time whenever I'm, cooking eggs and stuff. I just force a habit, I guess.
Let it cool off and I'll clean it here pretty soon. Look, Jeff, look at him. Maybe if I climb on the chair, I can get up there.